welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making like a green bean low carb kind of pasta sauce, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but instead of using pasta, I am substituting that for green beans, and I'm making a delicious meat sauce with it with a little kick. Absolutely optional if you want to add in chili or not. We do just because we like that little bit of a kick, but it's really easy. I love using green beans for this recipe just because I feel like it gives it so much freshness. You can totally substitute the green beans for like zucchini noodles or carrot noodles, whatever you like, but I really do encourage you to try it with the green beans and see just how delicious it is. It comes together really quickly. It's really easy. So if you want to see exactly how it comes together, keep watching.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do